At XCountry Financial, we know that reaching your financial peak requires a trusted guide. While we are a national firm serving clients coast to coast, our Colorado base camp has always grounded our adventurous spirit. Today, we're blazing a new trail to serve you even better. We are proud to announce that XCountry Financial is now an independently registered investment advisor. What does this mean for your journey? True independence. As a fiduciary, we answer only to you. This gives us the absolute freedom to navigate your unique financial terrain and offer personalized advice, free from the heavy packs and proprietary products of traditional wirehouses and corporate models. To power this next great expedition, we are thrilled to clear through Schwab Advisor Services. Every successful climb requires reliable gear. By partnering with an industry pioneer trusted with trillions in assets, your wealth is safeguarded by world-class security and provides us with a number of resources and strategies to tap into. You get the ultimate best of both worlds. The agile, customized guidance of an independent, Colorado-based firm, backed by the nationwide scale, resources, and rock-solid protection of Schwab Advisor Services. XCountry Financial, independent advice, institutional strength. Let's conquer your financial summit together.